I chose ACI Learning Tech Academy because when I was transitioning out of the military, I wanted to start a career in IT. And when I found out about ACI, I went on their website and I saw that they had an entry level, bare bones from the start, get you on your feet program that definitely appealed to me because I was definitely starting from the ground, going into a career that I had barely any experience in. And then right from the start, everyone on there was super kind. They were emailing me. We were going back and forth, answering all the questions. It definitely appealed to me, and I believe it was a great choice. I took the computer user support specialist program at ACI, and I thought it was going to be a lot worse than it was. The teachers were very entertaining, actually, and engaging, and it definitely made it a lot easier, even though it was a little hard. That was late at night, but I was able to squeeze into my schedule, do a full work day, and yeah, they were engaging enough to keep us all awake, and we all learned quite a bit. But definitely appreciated it, and I'd recommend it. My current role is IT assistant coordinator at a small mental health facility company nearby, actually. Life's been pretty darn good. The role is quite dynamic, actually. So I'm assisting in implementing policies, regulations, troubleshooting, end user support, helping with new technologies, you name it. I'm assisting. So it's been pretty great. So luckily, I was able to get a little experience before I started and get a couple of certifications on that resume. If I could say one thing to the Tech Academy staff, it would be thank you very much. Because without that course that I took and the great instructors that I had and all the patience they had with all my great questions, I mean, not all great, but all my questions, I probably wouldn't have this job right now. So I very much appreciate it. My name is Levi, and I'm an ACI Learning graduate.